Attorney Joji, yung marami kang pelikula dito na iba-ibang direktor, iba-ibang timpla. Paano mo ba pinipili ang mga pelikula mo? Abogada ka eh. Parang ibang mundo ka.
Strangely, Joanne, kahit lawyer ako, I loved films starting at the age of 9 years old. I would save my allowance to be able to watch Filipino films, not foreign ones. So andun talaga yung passion ko na gusto ko manood ng pelikulang Pilipino. Kaya sabi ko someday, gusto kong gumawa rin. And interestingly, I'm seated beside Ellen and Jeffrey. At itong dalawa ang dahilan bakit ako napasok sa industriyang ito. My baptism of fire, my introduction into filmmaking was actually with Ishmael Bernal, no less. For a drama for television. Nambudol kasi to si Ellen eh. So, yon. After that, parang sabi ko, ayoko na umulit. Nakakatakot pala. Karugtong ng bukas, yes. Okay, Cobrador, well, I would like to give a generic answer to that question in that I always read the script thoroughly. And there's always something in the script that ignites a fire of sorts. Parang like Cobrador, it's a very simple story of a woman na nangongolekta for wedding. But as you go along the pages of the script, mapapapi-ay ka na lang kasi ang ganda niya. Sobrang tapang, andyan yung mararamdaman yung nararanasan ng mga tao na dumadaan ng ganito araw-araw. And of course, there's the genius of Jeffrey Jaturian as a director. Totoo naman eh.
Yes.
I mean, hindi naman magiging ganon yung pelikula kung hindi ka magaling, Jay. Alam mo yan. Okay. Pagdating naman sa Biyaheng Lupa, mentor ko si Bing Lau. I've always admired him and I wanted to be part of his very first film. Parang it's such an honor na sige, magsanla ulit ako ng bahay ko para meron akong ipupuhunan sa pelikulang to para lang magawa namin. That was a very simple story of passengers in a bus na wala ka maririnig kundi mga boses nila habang nag-iisip sila. And sabi ko, ibang klase rin to. And because of that, I said, no, we really have to do this film. Sabi ko kay Bing noon, magkanong kailangan mo, Bing? Sabi niya, kahit 3M. Okay, ang ending namin, 6M. So, seryoso yan, Joanne. I think for my first 3 films, sanla ng bahay ko. Para lang meron akong mailabas to produce the film. And it never came back. That's the sad reality of it. The good thing is, because I'm a lawyer, kumikita naman ako ulit at nababayaran ko at nawawala na yung mortgage sa bahay ko. Fortunately, kumita ang babae sa septic tank. Oh, yun. When it was offered to me, and again, I read the script, sabi ko, baliw na baliw to si Chris Martinez magsulat. Ang ganda na naman. And then working with Eugene Domingo and working with Marlon Rivera, who's also another genius for me, sabi ko, sige, let's go and do this. So, ayun, ang suma total. Pag nabasa ko yung script, there's something in it na nakikita ko na would inspire me to do it. Not necessarily socio-political, not necessarily drama, basta meron akong mapipiga from it na gusto ko siyang gawin. And Joanne, thank you for including these films in your list. Alam mo, pag Joanne maglipon, it equates to integrity. Kaya, thank you.
Teka, mawawalan tayo ng oras.